शुक्रमुच्चरत् पश्येम शरदः शतं जीवेम शरदः शतं शृणुयाम शरदः शतं प्रब्रवाम शरदः शतमतीना स्याम शरदः शतं भूयश्च शरदः शताम्। ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षयो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
In the campus of DAV CRRC Gaya for one of the most noble purpose, that is training. Honorable Principal Sir and the Guardian of the Zone E and H. On behalf of DAV CRRC Gaya, I welcome you all on this 2 days training program, second phase of 24-25. I hope you enjoyed a lot your morning breakfast and you are sitting in a very welcome and congenial place, that is the assembly hall of this school. So now I am going to start the ceremony of the today's workshop.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swarvyoriv Bhuvna Prithvi Vavarina Tasyaste Prithvi Devayajani Rishte Agni Mannada Mannadhyayadade. Om Udbuddha Swagni Pratijagrihi Tvamishtabhurte Samsrije Amayamcha Asmin Sadaste Atrutarasmin Vishwe Devaya Jamanasya Sidata. Om Ayanta Idmayatma Jata Vedastini Yasvavardhasva Chidha Vardhaya Chasman Prajaya Pashubhir Brahma Varchasi Narnadina Samedhaya. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Now followed by DAV Gan.